Hello everyone! So today, we will talk about patterns in nature. These are shapes and designs we can see in the natural world. Patterns can be seen in plants, animals, rivers, and even in the sky. So they make nature beautiful and organized. There are many types of patterns, so let's look at the most common ones.
Symmetry means both sides looks the same. For example, butterfly and starfish.
In this night, a starry sky, my baby told me with a sigh, saying words that came across as a doubt. I reassured that every day my love is strong and gently placed in your heart.
Spiral curl around in circle. We can see them in snail shell, hurricanes, and sunflower seeds.
Fractal patterns are unique and complex designs that repeat themselves at different scales. This property is known as self-similarities, which means that when you zoom in or zoom out, the smaller parts of the pattern resemble the overall structure. The patterns can continue infinitely, showing endless detail.
I reassure that every day my love is strong and gently placed in your heart. Is shown I can't live without. Every mountain, every sea can never stray a bird in me. No matter the state of space and time. Keep us close and keep us dear. Not just today, but every year. You were made to keep your focus in my mind. But if you don't want my love.
In nature, fractals can be observed in snowflakes, tree branches, coastlines, lightning, and even vegetables such as Romanesco broccoli.
Let me know. You're not bound by a vow to be tomorrow.
Thank you for listening. Always remember, nature is full of patterns if we just take the time to look closely. Goodbye and have a wonderful day.